how to stop automatically following other Instagram account. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you stop automatically following other Instagram account. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged in with your account. So now from here you will have to tap on your profile section just at the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, so from here you'll have to go with the options tree line just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here tap on your account center. Okay, so from here in the account settings section, go with the options password and security. Okay, so from here in the security check section you'll have to go with the options where you are logged in. Okay, choose the Instagram account, and now from here you can see where the Instagram account are logged in. So if you find any suspicious account and activity is doing here, you can easily log out it from here. And for the security you'll have to back from here, and from here you can change the password of your account to make the security, and all the way to make advance of your security system on your Instagram account. You can also turn on the two-factor authentication on your account. So from here you can provide your authentication app, or you can choose the SMS process for the OTP sending process. And now from here you will be able to secure your account with the highest advanced security system. So from now the problem might be solved now. So this is the easiest and simplest method to stop the automatically following other Instagram account. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.